Welcome to my YouTube channel. For watching more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe my channel. So, let's start.
The Birds and the Squirrel. Short story. One day a beautiful bird came, looking for food. The bird looked around, and saw a mango on a tree. It was ripe mango. A squirrel was eating that mango. The bird came near the squirrel. The squirrel was afraid of bird and went aside. The bird started eating the mango. The bird said, "Come here, squirrel. Let's both eat mango together." Squirrel was very happy. The bird and the squirrel ate the mango happily. Moral of the story: share everything equally. With others is the best way of the life.